24-hour News 8, sponsored by Grand Valley State University, connecting with community.
It's 6:41. Tonight you're asked to lock your doors, turn on your porch lights, and spend the evening outside with your neighbors. We're talking about National Night Out.
It is the 31st year for this event, and people all across the United States will be taking part in activities, and there's plenty going on right here in West Michigan. Eva Gilly-Cooper is in Wyoming right now with what this event means and why it matters. Good morning, Eva.
And here we are in the bucket trucks once again at Consumers Energy, high over 131, and it is to create that awareness about National Night Out. It's one of those annual traditions, and how often do we really get to know our neighbors? It actually helps out law enforcement, and here to talk about that with me is Chief Hillen from Kentwood. And Chief, why is today so important? I mean, and law enforcement is so involved in a night like today.
You know, Eva, it's so important for neighbors to get to know neighbors, especially this time, you know, when there isn't a real emergency on. And recently we had the tornado in Kentwood where the neighbors came out and worked with each other. But, you know, when you get to know your neighbors before an emergency happens, that's actually the best time. You forge those relationships, you watch out for each other. When somebody goes on vacation, you watch their house. We're going to have 17 or 18 events in Kentwood alone with neighbors, celebrating with neighbors, getting to know each other, and it's just a wonderful thing.
I know there's all kinds of activities going on, and if people are out there right now, you're coming down 131, we have all kinds of different law enforcement and chiefs from many of the different cities, surrounding cities. You can get some free donuts and coffee. But it's interesting, too, because that relationship with our law enforcement is also important. It's great to see all of you guys out.
Yeah, that interaction between the public and us is just a great thing. We rely on it. We can't do our job without the public. And it gives us an opportunity to talk about, you know, if you see a suspicious vehicle in your neighborhood, give us a call. And oftentimes people say, well, I didn't think it was that big of a deal. Well, it is, and that's why we're here. And working together, we can make a difference.
So if you're out and about and you want to come by, like I said, we're at Consumers Energy here on Clay Avenue between 36th and 44th. They're also giving out some light bulbs and donuts and coffee, and a lot of the mayors are coming here as well. And again, it's just an opportunity. Get to know your law enforcement, but more importantly, get to know your neighbors. And tonight they recommend that everybody turn your porch light on from 7 to 10. And again, there's activities happening in so many communities, and a big one happening tonight as well. That's near Celebration Cinema South by the Pepinos there. They're going to have a huge event, and I know there are many more taking place throughout various communities and neighborhoods. We have many of them listed at woodtv.com, so you can always check there. I'm Eva Gilly-Cooper for Connecting with Community. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Eva, for that. It's 6:44 right now. We're expecting some rain in the day ahead.
That's up next with your 8-day forecast.